Today we are learning Hmong again. We learn some food. Nấu nò bé cờ cho ý cho rau mò. The purple color words are pronunciation. The blue colors, it's a Hmong language words. The orange color words are the English version. So, today I'm going to teach some food in pronunciation of Hmong in English. Number 1, vegetables. Vegetables is ZAUB. 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 Number 2, day is water. Water is day. 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 Number 3, ZAUB mo. ZAUB mo is food. Food is ZAUB mo. ZAUB mo. For example, you say, I eat food. Gu no ZAUB mo. Gu no ZAUB mo mean I eat food. Number 4, Kono cake. Kono cake mean cake. Number 5, Ji mo kia. Ji mo kia is orange. Number 6 is Ji chug. Ji chug is banana. Banana is Ji chug. Ji chug. Number 7, eggs. Eggs are Kay. Kay. Kay is eggs. Number 8, mo. Mo is rice. Mo. Mo. For example, you say, I eat rice. You will say, Gu no mo. Gu no mo. I eat rice. Number 9, Ngai. Ngai is meat. Meat is ngai. Number 10, milk. Milk is me. Me. For example, you say, I drink milk. Mean, gu hao mi. Gu hao mi. I hope you learn more by reviewing over and over and repeat over and over so you can learn Hmong and English at the same time. Rong xiao, happy, okay? See you later. Xin ji dua. See you later is xin ji dua. Goodbye. Learn more Hmong and English, okay? Thank you. Wo chao. Wo chao mean thank you. Bye.